Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm with Anya.
Hi.
And she also has a YouTube channel that's called
Anya Nat.
Anya Nat, whatever. And you can check that out too. She only has a few videos, but... And today we're gonna be making clear fluffy slime. I've made this, I think yesterday or a few days ago. But it wasn't on a YouTube video, so now I'm gonna be doing it on a YouTube video. So let's do it. First, I need to take. I'm just gonna use I'm gonna make the slime in these containers that already have slime in them, but I'm not gonna put them in here. Okay. Do not want to be in the video. Okay, so you have slime, clear glue, shaving cream, and Alex solution, and peppermint scent. Smells really good. Okay. So, get this ready. So we're gonna, So I'm gonna pour the clear glue and both of these things. It's like glued to the bait bottle. No? You just want me to come up here? Okay, thanks. So I'm gonna pour a little on each.
That's a lot.
Oh wait, I have a better idea. I pour the glue in there.
That's a lot.
If you're making slime, it doesn't look like that. And then I'll put the shaving cream in this one. Oh, that's a lot of shaving cream. I just thought of that now. It's probably still a lot of shaving cream. I don't have to add all of it though. Should I add like that much? If you wait like a day or two, it turns to this really pretty color. It's on the table. Yeah, it's a bit too much.
Do you want me to get it?
Yeah, sure, if you want to. You don't have to. So guys, I said I might be making a video with Anya, and I was right. And then I'm just going to add the scent in right now.
This is the slime she was talking about.
I might not want to touch it. It's really sticky. It's a really sticky slime. Yeah, but if you have to play with it, it's going to stick to you a lot. So, it even sticks to me. Even though slime doesn't stick. Oh, smell it. It smells like lemon. So the slime smells like lemon. You could feel it after. I'll just add some shaving cream, and then you could feel it. Not a big deal. Okay, so I added some scent. I don't know if it's enough. Is that enough? The knife fell on her. Well, it's not a real knife. I think that's enough, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then
I spilled some.
I know. And then I'll just add some contact solution in. I think this is too much shaving cream. I could always just add more clear glue. Maybe it's too much shaving cream. I don't know. I might need to add more. So I'm gonna add extra ingredients because if it doesn't stick to me, it's gonna stick to you. So I'm gonna make it definitely not stick to me, and then it won't stick to you. So I'm gonna add a little bit more shaving cream. You like to play with shaving cream?
No.
So we made like videos together, and I told you guys what that was, but I had not watched it. It was in my last video that I made today. Okay, I'll be back when it's done. I don't know if it's done. So I'm just gonna see. It's kind of sticky still. So add a bit more contact solution.
it worked. This is like putty.
Oh, it worked?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's
it's
weird.
like putty. So she has slime that's like putty.
I found like something that looked like slime on the ground, and so I picked it up, and now it's like putty.
She was just playing with. She was just kneading it for a while, and then it like, turned into putty.
Yeah. Why do you always mix with your finger?
I'm mixing because it's done. Like when it's
Oh.
still sticky, I'm mixing with this.
This is like, this is cool. But it's not
Yeah.
as stretchy.
It's still a bit sticky, but it has a nice
So if I'm gonna be
texture.
there when you're done, Colby.
Ooh, that's really minty. I thought I only added like one drop. I think I added more. I don't know, but it smells really minty. Here's the slime. Trying to get the contact solution off the floor. Okay, I don't know if I think I'm gonna put glitter because it's clear slime and color. Clear.
What color are you gonna add?
Ear. What color do you think looks good? Peppermint color. So either red or white.
Yeah.
Oh, let's do a swirl with red and white. Oh yeah, let's keep it in the container with.
That would be cool.
Just got in my hair, but it didn't get in my hair. It touched my hair, but it didn't get in my hair. Yes. It's so cool. It looks like it would be glow in the dark. It looks like a glow in the dark
yeah.
color. Sounds like a sheep. Did I sound like a sheep? I sound like a sheep. Wait, I'm gonna try to do that again. I can't do it. I don't know what I did. No, wait. What did I do?
I don't know. This is cool.
That's bad.
I don't know what you did.
I don't know either. Okay, so I mean, it's still a bit sticky somehow.
And this is very hard, but clear. You can see through it.
So, Anya, are you good at jump roping?
Yes,
In my last video, I jump roped
you
and I
did.
played the slime. Yeah, I made it like an hour or two ago. Why did you come so late?
Because I had to do my piano practice because I have piano today.
What?
I
You already had piano? You already did your piano?
Yeah, I had to practice though.
Wait, so what
because
time are you leaving?
Like 4 or 4:30. Why? Because my music teachers come at that time. Or maybe 4:45. Or
Right.
4:50 or 5 o'clock.
Or 6, or 7, or 8, or 9, or 10, or
11
or
or
12,
that would be too
or
late.
1,
That would be a
or 2,
sleepover.
or 3, or 4, or 5,
That's
Okay.
a one-day sleepover.
So
Can you
here's
try to make a bubble with it?
Yeah. So I think this is
I can't even do anything with this anymore.
Okay. I don't think it's sticky anymore. Well, of course it's not to me. Oh.
That was like a clear bubble. It smells like Christmas or like a candy cane.
Yeah, it sounds like candy cane. Do you like it? Is it too
Yeah.
strong?
No.
It's really strong, but it's not too strong.
This is
ASMR. I don't know why I'm whispering. Okay, so we are going to get the red coloring
Which is where?
and the and the glitter. So we'll be making the sleepy. Ew, this is so bad. Bye. Wait, why did I say bye? Okay, so we have the red paint. I don't know if there's much left. We have green glitter. We have some pink sand. Well, some reddish pinkish sand.
Why are you talking like
I don't
that?
know. Okay, so let's make half red, half white. So let's keep some. Oh no, I got some glitter in it by accident. Looks like about right?
It's not sticking.
Good.
Yay.
Does it good?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna keep this one light. And then we're gonna please be more. Oh, no. Come on out.
There we go.
Hey, Ken. Hey, Ken. Going up there. Yes.
Wow.
That's cool. Yeah. Hope it's dark enough. It's probably not. It's gonna be like a pinkish. Yeah. Need to make it a candy cane color. This is what it will look like if you sucked a little bit of the red off. Make it a little darker.
That noise is just annoying.
That's what I have to do to get the paint out. Hey, Ken. Oh. Why don't you pet her? Do you want to pet her?
Maybe, maybe not. I love cats.
So you don't want to pet her? You do, I mean. You could see her after. Maybe. She's around. Is that dark enough? No, right?
Not really.
Well, it's dark.
The only way that's really gonna work is if you cut the bottle open.
Or I can open top. Ooh, a lot. Ooh, a lot came out. Ooh, that's so good. I think that's enough. Should be enough.
There's something. There's hair in there.
Just keep it in there. Ooh, the paint made it not that stretchy anymore. It made it weird. Made it kind of sticky.
But this really doesn't stick to me.
Okay, well, that's good. Is this dark enough, right? Yeah, right.
Yeah.
I said right, yeah, right. Let's switch, make sure that doesn't stick to you. I don't think it, maybe it will.
Nope.
Ooh, that's good. How? Okay, now this one, we're going to add some green glitter.
This slime will look like Christmas.
Yep. I don't know why we're making Christmas slime when it's way past Christmas.
It's February.
Not like way probably. But it's not close to Christmas. Christmas is in a while. Okay. know if you can see it, but there is a lot of glitter in there.
Oh, I kind of made a bubble.
Then, I don't know. Should I add sand? The red one.
Maybe.
Oh. There's hair in...
There's hair in everything that you use, I swear.
Okay.
I really don't see a difference that much.
It will feel different, probably. Oh. Okay, let's try it a little bit more then. Should we do red and green or red and white? Well, it's supposed to be a candy cane slime.
Yeah.
Can mix it in. But this kind of looks green now. And that's okay.
It'll be
green
Christmas
slash
tree.
white slash red. Red's on my Christmas tree? Only ornaments.
Yeah.
So, sure.
Oh, that looks weird when you go like that.
Wait, that was weird. I was like, okay, so let's mix them together. Well, not fully together.
Yeah.
Just like a little. Let's do it on a like video. Let's do a little.
Yeah.
Let's do a little bit on like and a little bit on YouTube.
Yeah.
That's some like. Those are on like. These are on YouTube. Okay, first we do the YouTube ones because if we X out, then we can't finish the video. Oh, wow.
Try like twirling it or twisting it.
I will, yeah. I'm gonna make a swirl with it. It's kind of stretchy. That looks cool. Hey! Okay, now we're gonna put it in here. Don't mess it up. Yeah, we didn't mess it up. Okay, then I'm just gonna, like, this is a slime I took out.
Can I feel it? Oh, I like this.
Then we're just gonna add all the shaving cream to it. That's the only option we have. We could have used it for our other slime. Here, let's no. Let's use the rest. Okay.
Oh, that was shaving cream. I didn't know.
Okay, so here's the slime.
That's her.
It's like a cool slime.
That's like Emma's slime.
No.
Kind of. Well, hers is worse. Because hers barely even stretched.
Oh, we were talking about Emma in our camp. She's not in our school. Yeah, she's in our school.
No, she's not.
Wait, no, she's not. Is she or isn't she? She's in our camp. She's in our camp. And she might be at camp next year. I just don't know. Maybe she will.
You have slime in your hair.
How much?
Like a little bit.
Oh, well, that doesn't matter.
It's right here.
Okay, so let's...
It's dry.
Bye! Okay, wait, guys. So, we'll see you guys next time. We will. I am pretty sure.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Why is my
Your hair is so
messy?
messy.
I see the pieces.
Yeah.
Oh, that was easy to get.
Bye.